Hi, we here are at Chennai Express Indian restaurant. Okay, this is the one of the South Indian restaurant in South Africa is being opened. It's like say basically it's a Tamil restaurant, first Tamil restaurant in South Africa. It's called Chennai Express Indian restaurant. It's located in Fontainebleau village in shopping center by the Nagia Center in Randburg. Now we're going to see one of the best Tamil food, which one is a Chennai food. It's called Masala Dosa. We're going to see how they're preparing the chef. This is actually is like very authentic. The food which one is called Masala Dosas. Basically, they will have it as a breakfast. You have like a dinner, things like that. Okay, let's go through. You know how the chef is making. Okay.
And here's our chef.
Yeah. You can say, yeah, our chefs are also from Chennai. They've been specialized for this all dosas, idli, vada, puri. Then also we do have like also like a biryani specials, which one is called dum biryani, so like a typical Chennai dum biryani also. Now now we making this dosas called masala dosa. There's also a lot of variety of dosas. You know, this is one of the dosas which one's very common. Like actually is filled with a spicy potato. This all the dosas comes with the typical sambar, coconut chutney, and tomato chutney, and yeah. Then also the like the spicy levels. If you like to have even mild or even pretty spicy, they will prepare according to your taste buds. Sure, have a look.
So is the dosa made with rice or flour?
Yeah, so basically dosa made with this, rice and urud dal.
Urud dal,
Yeah.
okay. So do you have accompaniments like chutneys, etc. that go with the dosa?
Yeah, it comes with the coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and also it's called sambar, which one's made with lentils and some vegetables.
Okay.
So-
Now with this dosa fish, what's the best drink that you would recommend to
This
customers?
is like basically the dosas, you know, it's like very nice to get with the tea is called masala tea
Yes.
or madras tea, one of the teas, you know.
Okay.
It's a very nice to go with the compliments with each other.
Okay.
No, Mysore masala. Mysore masala.
So this is called the tray
Yeah,
is called a tartare.
No, that is just a dosa plate. It's called dosa plate. Okay. Also, let's see. Now we saw the masala dosa. Let's see another one called Mysore masala dosa. Basically, this is similar to masala dosa. We don't filled with the potato, spicy potato. But this Mysore dosa actually is a little bit spicy. Yes. You know, basically they put the tomato paste with some spicy sprinkle on it. Then still they're going to put this masala on it. This is called Mysore masala dosa. Also, this is also very familiar, very popular. One of the dish also. We have a look.
So you must have had many years of practice.
Yes, of course. These all the chefs they have minimum of 10 years and more than 10 years experience.
Wow.
Yeah, we have also different chefs. There are like chefs which one they make dosa in Italy and puri. You know,
What is he applying over
yeah,
the
this
dosa?
is a tomato chutney.
Okay.
Tomato chutney. They're going to sprinkle on it some spices on top
Okay.
of it. Then, like as I said, also we do have a chef which one specialized for the biryanis, and also we do as even though we South Indian, also we do have like a lot of North Indian dishes also. So like we do have North Indian chefs and South Indian chefs also. But we do have a lot of South Indian curries and biryanis. You know, then
Alright.
yeah.
So what is that going over?
Yeah, there is basically it's called podi, you know, which one is like some spices, you know. Mysore masala dosa basically is like a spicy masala dosa, you can say that.
Is this enough for one person or?
So of course this is more than enough for one person. You know, there's also it's a very light. There's a dosa is actually very light meal,
Alright.
you know. Also you can have it like vegan people also, you know.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's great for vegans.
Yes, it's good for vegan also.
It's very yummy.
Sure.
So does this also go with some chutneys?
It's all the dosas comes with chutney, sambar. Yeah, dosas. We can have like even 100 variety of dosas, but here we have like almost 20 different variety of dosas.
Oh, right.
You know, but still, even if you want something to made up with, we still can make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you only have vegetarian fillings?
And now we do have as a non-veg also. We do have a chicken, lamb, and chicken tikka,
Okay.
paneer. There you go.
So what are you eating?
We're having a vegetable bun.
A vegetable bunny.
Yeah, there you go. Here he making it's called tandoori chicken, which one made in the clay oven. Basically, so you can have a tandoori chicken or chicken tikka, like Malai chicken tikka, lamb sheikh kebab, all this kind of thing. Also naan. So all those kind of things made in this oven, which one called tandoori oven. Like it's a very delicious, you know. Also it has like a lot of like smoky flavor on it. You know? Yeah, let's try this one of this dish also. You know, so very popular in India.
Hi.
Hi.
So are you guys enjoying your masala dosa?
Beautiful.
Lovely.
Love it.
So what accompaniments are with yours?
We have the chutney. The chutney is in the dough.
Yes.
And this is the tikka masala. It's
And what's your filling?
the filling is chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're having a non-veg.
Yes, non
All
veg.
right, and it's delicious.
Beautiful.
All right.
Very nice. Come here all the time.
Okay. Oh, you're regulars here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you. Thanks very much.
Thanks.
Yeah, here they it's lamb curry, parota. They also dum biryanis, which one's like a Friday, every Friday special, chicken dum biryani. Yeah, there's a Kerala parota. Also paneer dosa, gentleman is having the paneer dosa. Let's go through the customer. Do they enjoying the food? Yeah. How do you enjoying the food?
12 out of 10. Perfect. We're always here.
Thank
We
you,
are
thank
always
you.
here.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, this one's called Kerala parota. Basically, this is a flaky bread. It's a very nice to go with this, all this South Indian like curries, you know, all the things. You won't get it anywhere in South Africa. It's like basically one or two restaurants only sell. We the one of them also, you know. It's very nice. You can even have it with the tea, you know, just a plain
All
tea.
right, just
Yeah,
plain.
it's a very flaky and soft. You know? Yeah. Is once you're done, you will see that the way how they smack it and becomes like a layer. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's wait for it. Yes, now it's done. Yeah. The way how they smack it, you will see it's become like. There you go. This is actually one of the very popular bread dish also in South. Thank you.
Right, stay there.
Hi, I'm going to have a nice cup of masala tea at Chennai Express. The masala tea is generally with spices, boiled milk, and some regular tea. This is one of my favorite teas. I really love it. I'm going to have a sip and I'll tell you later how it went down.